Welcome, cyber chefs, to the most secure and delicious baking show in town. Today, we're baking up a storm and showing you our special recipe for consolidated cybersecurity with the essential ingredients from the core-to-cloud method. So first up, we've got visibility, because you can't protect what you can't see. And all the other essential components of a cyber strategy. Next up, it's all about governance, because much like your industry frameworks, you've got to check the boxes. And the one thing IT teams love more than anything, their time. Don't make life hard for yourself. So you can focus on the more important things. And now it's time for security training. Much like perfecting an age-old family recipe, we can keep your team up to date with the latest cyber threats and strategies. So next, we have...
We're not doing the seg bit.
What do you mean? We're not... But the seg is essential. And now it's time to validate, because what's the point in any of this if it doesn't taste good? Voila, there we have it. That's our total protection decadence. But whilst that's baking, let's have a look at what happens if we don't follow this delicious recipe. Chaos in the kitchen, stick with core-to-cloud, and we can ensure that all your processes are smooth and efficient. The proof is in the pudding. Smells secure. Now, we're all working incredibly hard to close the skills shortage and meet the high demand for cybersecurity. So that's why you can't go anywhere without checking out the pièce de résistance, the core-to-cloud managed services. And there you have it. Now, our methods may be fun, but core-to-cloud's results are no joke. It will be our pleasure to listen to your cyber and network pains and craft a recipe bespoke for your business. Cheers.